Hi student, again I am here with our same topic. It's a part of differential equation in which till now we have discussed our problems. We have discussed from last videos. We have discussing the solutions of our differential equation. In its sequences parts today we are going to again with our same topics. We have discussed the problem solutions of first order linear differential equations in which we have discussed some problems. Now today I am again with the problems which are asked in our last year examination, last year board examination there, and then we are going to discuss by one with you. We are going to start with our first problem. What is it's asked in last year board examination that we have to be solve. We have to solve linear differential equation. What we have given there, we have to solve. Look, it's given the prime in the terms of prime. It's given by y dash plus y is equal to 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Yes, sir. Y prime equal plus y equal to 1 plus sin x upon. Obviously, what is indicate our y prime? Y prime is dy dx. Y double prime is it's our dy dx cube. Y triple prime means it's our dqy dx cube. Now we can write it dy dx plus y is equal to 1 plus sin x 1 plus cos x. Now we can write our problem 1 plus sin x and 1 upon 1 plus cos x. Now look, that's obviously in our standard form. What is our standard form of linear differential solution? It's a dy dx plus py is equal to q. Obviously, what we have what is our py? Here our p is what? When we are going to compare it with our standard form, we get the value of p is what? 1 and q is what? It's a 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Now look, then we have to find out integrating factor if. It's e to power p dx. E to power integration of p dx. Our p is 1 there. E to power 1 dx. Integration of 1 is what? X. Now the value of our integrating factor if is what? E to power x. Now we are going to be with our last. Since I already discussed, there are to solve any linear differential equation, there is a 3 steps. First of all, convert in standard form. There are only 2 forms there. Whatever dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are function of x, or either it's a dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. Then now look, we get our integrating factor. It's a form of what? Dy dx plus py equal to q. And in this form, what is our solution? Our solution is given by y into if. Y into if, our if is e to power x, is equal to integration of q into if. Q is our 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into if, it's e to power x dx plus c. Now look, we have to find the integration of what? 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into e to power x. Then look, we have further we are going to solve it separately. We are going to solve its integrate separately. It's take I is equal to 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into e to power x. Now look, it's our integration. Look, what we do? We are going to expand our this sin x as a 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Then look, further what we will do? We can put here at the place of cos x what? 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. We put here what? 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Then in the denominator what we have? We have only 2 cos square x by 2. Look, we are going to separately, it's write down it separately. Then it's the integration of what? It's a what? 1 by 2, 1 upon cos is what? Sec square x by 2 plus here 2 cancel, cos cancel, then sin x by 2, cos x by 2 what? Yes, we have tan x by 2 and this is e to power x dx. Now look, it's a e to power x, and look, we have one of the formula to get integration. If we have any form e to power x fx plus f dash x dx, then our its integral value is given by e to power x fx plus c, e to power x fx plus c. When we have any problem in exponent, we can there is in multiplication there is sum of two functions, and functions is just like that, is one of its function, one another one its derivative there. Then what is our its integral value? Then its integral value is given by e to power x into fx plus c. Then now look, if we take tan x by 2 is our function, then what is its derivative? ddx of tan x what? It's a sec square x, but here we have x by 2, then sec square x by 2, and then again by chain rule the differential of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Now look, if we this is our fx and this is our its derivative, then integration of 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 is what? By this technique, its integration is what? E to power x tan x by 2 plus c. Now look, at the place of this integration of 1 plus sin x 1 plus cos x e to power x dx, we are going to put the value e to power x into tan x by 2. Now look, what is our solution? Our solution is what? It's now what we have, y into e to power x. Here we get integration is what? E to power x into tan x by 2, and this is plus c. Now look, also we can write down our solution is what? Y is equal to tan x by 2 plus c into e to power minus x. This is our required solution. What do we have solution? Y plus equal to tan x by 2 plus c into e to power minus x. Again I want to revise you. We have the problem y prime plus y is equal to 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Then we can write down in standard form. It's what? It's given by dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Then to compare with our standard form, we get the value of p is 1, q is 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Then we are going to get it's our integrating factor. Our IF is given by e to power integration of p dx. The value of p is 1. Then after solving, we get our integrating factor is as e to power x. Then it's a form of dy dx plus py equal to q. In such types of problem, what is our solution? Our solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor plus c. Our integrating factor is e to power x. Then now our solution is given by y into e to power x is equal to integration of 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x, because this is our q into e to power x. Then we integrate this 1 plus sin x plus 1 plus cos x. Its integration value is what? E to power x into tan x by 2 plus c, dividing each term by e to power x. Then our final result is our final solution of differential equation is what? It's y equal to tan x by 2 plus c into e to power minus x. Now we are moved to our next problem to solve. Going to take next board problem. Now it's a particle solution problem. Solve dy dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. Solve dy dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. Look, obviously this is our problem is in a standard form, but look, it's different that we have to solve by using a particular solution. It's given that y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Given y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Now when we have given any condition of y and x, such types of solution is known as particular solution. Whenever our solution in the terms of C, such types of solution is known as our general solution. But when we have put the value of y and x, then we get the value of C, and such types of solution is our known as particular solution. Now look, obviously the given problem is in the standard form. On comparing with dy dx plus py equal to q, the value of our p is what? 2 tan x, and our q is what? Our q is what? It's a sin x. So then obviously what we are going to find out our value of if. How can we calculate if? Integrating factor. It's e to power p dx. E to power, what is your p? It's 2 tan x dx. Then integration of tan x is what? It's a sec square x, and e to power 2, sorry, it's a log sec x. Integration of tan x what? It's our log sec x. Then we take 2 in the power, then it's e to power log sec square x. Then now any function like e to power log fx, its value is fx, then we have our integrating factor is what? Sec square x. Now we get our integrating factor. What is our integrating factor? Our if is what? It's a sec square x. We are getting our integrating factor. Then yes, we are the last step. Our third step is that we have to find out its solution. What is our solution? Y, because it's a form it what? Dy dx plus py equal to q. Then what is our solution? Our solution is given by y into integrating factor, means y into sec square x. Then is equal to integration of q. Our q is sin x into sec square x dx plus c. Now it's a y into sec square x, and sin x into sec square x. It's our sec square x is what? Our sec square x is what? It's a 1 upon cos square x. Then we have sin x upon cos x into sin x upon cos x into 1 by cos x, then sin by cos tan x. Then after solving out, we have value tan x into sec x dx plus c. When we are going to solve our sin x into sin x into sec square x dx, then we get its value is what? Tan x into sec x dx. Now look, it's a y into sec square x, and integration of our tan x into sec x is what? Dx is what? It's a sec x plus c. Now look, we get our solution, but it is our general solution, because in the given problem, in the last year board problem, it's about not last year, it's one of the board problems. It's asking in 2000, it's about 8 or 9 problems. Then now look what we have. It's our general solution, but it's in problem we have given of y equal to 0 when our x equal to pi by 3. Then it's asked about our what? Particular solution. Then we have to put the value of x and y here. Now y sec square x pi by 3 equal to sec pi by 3 plus c. Now pi by 3 means 60 degree. What is the value of look, we can solve it. It's also make it some easy there, and we can find out the value. We can divide by this terms by sec x. Then also our solution is given by, here we get y sec x, then 1 by sec is what? It's a cos x plus c into sec square x. Look, our solution is also given by what we have? It's a y equal to cos x, and look, we divide by sec square x. Then we have here cos square x, c into cos square x. Now from here we are going to find out the value of c, putting the value of y is 0 and x equal to pi by 3. And here we get 0 cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means our 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60? Yes, what is the value of cos 60? Yes, it's a 1 by 2. then 1 by 2 plus c into 1 by 2 cos square x, cos square 60, then it's a 1 by 2 square, then 1 by 4, and look, after solving, what we get the value of c? It's a minus 1 by 2, then cancel, then we get c is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2 into 4, then obviously we get the value of c is what? Minus 2. We get the value of c is what? Minus 2. Put in the value of c here. Then our solution is what? Y is equal to cos x, at the place of c minus 2 cos square x. This is our particular solution of the given differential equation. Again we have what we have given there. Look, we have given our differential equation dy dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. When we have condition y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Then after comparing with the standard form, our dy dx, the value of p and q is 2 tan x and sin x. Then we are going to find out our integrating factor. IF is given by e to power integration p dx. We put the value of p 2 times integration of tan x, then after solving we get it's a 2 log sec x. After solving we get our integrating factor is what? It's a sec square x. Then how can we get solution? Our solution is given by y into if equal to q into if. After solving it, we get y into sec square x equal to integration of tan x into sec x dx. Then finally we get y equal into sec square x equal to sec x plus c, again dividing by sec square x each term. Then our final solution is what? Y equal to cos x plus c into cos square x. But here is also given a condition y equal to 0 and when equal to x equal to pi by 3. Then putting these values here, we get the value of c minus 2. Then the value of minus c, put it 2 in our this place. Then we get our required solution is what? Y cos x minus 2 cos square x. Now we are going to take next problem. Look, our next problem is what? Solve, again it's asking in board examination this problem. Solve x square plus 1 dy dx plus 2xy is equal to under root x square plus 4. Now look, first of all, we have a problem. It's given that x square plus 1 dy dx plus 2xy equal to under root x square plus 4. Look, first of all, what is our first step? We have to be check that it should be in our standard form. But look, it is not in our standard form. Then first of all, we have to convert it in standard form, dividing by each term by x square plus 1. Then our differential equation rewritten as dy dx plus 2x upon, we can write down 1 plus x square, y is equal to under root x square plus 1 and x square plus 4 and divided by x square plus 1. Now look, our equation is now is in standard form. When we are going to compare with this equation, this differential equation by our standard form, then we get our value of p is what? We get our value of p is 2x upon 1 plus x square and value of q is what? Under root x square plus 4 upon x square plus 1. Now look, after getting the value of p and q, what we do? We are going to find out its integrating factor if. How can we calculate? It's e to power p dx, integration of p dx, then e to power integration of what is our p? 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now look, this is our f dash x, this is our fx. When we take our 1 plus f square t, then we get 2x dx dt. Then look, it's of type of integration of f dash upon fx dx. Then its integration is what? E to power log fx. Then we have e to power log 1 plus x square. Then finally our if integrating factor is given by e to power log fx is what? Fx. Then we have our integrating factor is what? 1 plus x square. Now we get our integrating factor 1 plus x square. Then third and our last step is to get that our solution is given by y into if. Our if is 1 plus x square is equal to integration of q. What is our q? Under root x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1 into if 1 plus x square dx plus c. Look, these terms are cancelled out. Then what we have? Y 1 plus x square is equal to integration of under root x square plus 4 dx plus c. Now look, we have to get the integration of under root x square plus 4 dx. It's our some special integration of some special integrals. We have I already told you. Please learn these values. Now it's a type of integration of x square plus a square. What is the integration of this x under root x square plus a square? Yes, it's a what? A square by 2 log of in mod x plus under root x square plus a square. Then here our a is 2 there. Then it's a square by 2 means a square is what? Our 2 square by 2, then log in mod x plus under root x square plus a square means we have x square plus 4 plus c. Now it's a 2, and finally what we have? Y 1 plus x square, it's a 2, so 2, then log of x plus under root x square plus 4 plus c. Now look, this is our final, this is our required solution. What is our required solution? Y into x square plus 1 is equal to, it's given by 2, sorry, just we are going to forget it, any values there. It's a, what is, we put here? We have, sorry, we have integration of x square plus what? What is our integration of, look, integration of under root x square plus a square is what given by, I hope so, I have missed the first term there. It's what? X by 2 under root x square plus a square, then plus a square by 2 and log of mod x plus under root x square plus a square. Sorry, I hope so, I missed the first term there, and it's x by 2 under root x square. We have also put their terms there. It's my apology to you. Now look, it's I have missed the first term x by 2 and log of, here also what we have? What we have? X by 2 under root x square plus 4, then plus a square by 2 square by 2 log, then mod of, yes, x plus under root x square plus 4 and plus c. Now look, it's our final value of this. It's my project. That's what is all? We have put the values of this integration of under root x square plus a square. What is it? It's a x by 2 under root x square plus a square, then plus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square plus a square. Now look, you have to learn this, otherwise forget it. I'm just supposing I missed the first term there. Now look, it's what? It's y is equal to 1 plus x square is given by x by 2 under root x square plus 4. Now look, we have further solved this 2 square. Then final solution is what? It's y 1 plus x square is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus 4 plus here we get 2 log of mod x plus under root x square plus 4 plus c. Look, this is our solution of the given problem. Why it's important? The first thing is important this because integration of x square plus 4 dx, because it's our integration of either you know how can you solve this integral values, otherwise you have to learn this some special integrals. Just look, I am going to revise you. We have a problem x square plus 1 dy dx plus 2xy equal to under x square plus 4. we are going to retain in the standard form, dividing by each term by x square plus 1, we get dy dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square into y equal to under x square plus 4 upon x square plus 1. Then getting the value on comparing with dy dx plus py equal to q. After comparing this here, what do we get? We get the value of p is what? 2x upon 1 plus x square, and the value of q is what? Root x square plus 4 and upon x square plus 1. Then our if calculated by e to power integration of p dx, the value of p is 2x upon 1 plus x square. It's a type of fx upon f dash x, integration of fx f dash x upon fx. Integration of f dash upon fx is given by log fx, and we get log 1 plus x square. Either you can by solve by substitution, take 1 plus x square t, then we get 2x dx dt, then integration of dt by t, it's a log t, put the value of t is 1 plus x square, we get e to power log 1 plus x square. Now after getting if, then we have to put in the solution y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Then after solving, we have y into 1 plus x square equal to integration of under root x square plus 4 dx plus c. Then y into 1 plus x square. Then integration of x square plus a square is what? It's a x by 2 under root x square plus a square by 2 log mod of x plus under root x square plus a square. Then final solution is what? After solving this 2 square by 2, we get y into 1 plus x square is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus 4 and plus 2 log mod of x plus x square plus 4 plus c. This is our required solution. Now we are going to take and consider next problem. Take one of the lastly I will take up one of the dx dy problem. Look, solve x plus y plus 1. Mostly I have taken dy by dx format. Then maybe it's the last problem of today. Then we are going to take a solve x plus y plus 1 dy dx equal to 1. What do we have? We have x plus y plus 1 equal to dy by dx equal to 1. Then look, what do we do? Again, we cannot separate it. Then we have to convert in our dx dy format. Then our differential equation can be written as x plus y plus 1 equal to dx dy. Yes, we can rewrite it. Then dx dy and take minus y. We have converted in dx dy. Then we have take because it's a format of, then we have x here. Then dx dy minus x is equal to y plus 1. Now look, we have converted in the form of our dx by dy. Then we are going to compare with our dx dy minus px equal to q format. Where is p and q are function of y there. Then after comparing, the value of p is minus 1 and the value of q is what? Y plus 1. Look, we get the values of p is minus 1 and the value of q is what? Y plus 1. Now how can we calculate if in the when we have dx by dy plus px equal to q? This types of, when our differential equation in the type of the second format, then how can we find out our if? Yes, it's calculated by e to power integration of p dy. It's a p dy e to power integration of minus 1 dy, then we get it's a e to power minus y. Now we get our integrating factor e to power what? Minus y. What is our solution? Now look, what is our solution? It's a format of dx by dy. Then solution is what? X into, we have take x there, x into y here is equal to integration of q. What is our q? Y plus 1 into e to power minus y dy plus c. Now we are going to be integrate it by our integration by parts. Then this is our first function, this is second function. Then what we have, minus y plus 1 e to power minus y, and then minus integration of, this is, we get 1 there. Then again minus e to power minus y dy plus c. Then we get x into e to power minus y equal to minus e to power minus y plus 1. We get minus minus plus, but again integration of e to power minus y is minus. Then we get minus e to power minus y plus c. Now after dividing by e to power minus y, what we have? We have x is equal to minus y plus 1 and minus 1 plus c. Also x is equal to, sorry, it's here we have divided by then c into e to power y, because we are dividing by e to power minus y each terms. Then x is equal to minus y plus 2 plus c into e to power y. Then our solution is what? X plus y plus 2 is equal to c into e to power y. This is our required solution. What is our required solution? X plus y plus 2 is equal to c into e to power y. Okay, thanks to all. This is enough for today class. Please revise all the problems which I have explained to you.